The FreeStyle Libre 2 system frees you from the hassles of finger sticks, and because of this, my husband can easily monitor his sugar level, and of course, together with a proper diet, his sugar level has also improved quite significantly. And for today's video, he's going to show you guys how to apply the sensor.
Wash the arm where you want to put the new one thoroughly.
So he's washing it now. Ooh, sexy.
I never take out the mark of the old one. You
Where
can't
it was
put
before.
the new one
On the same spot.
on the same.
After cleaning with soap,
Use the alcohol, rubbing alcohol tissue to clean the place where you want your new pet. Dry for a minute.
and let it dry for a minute. In the meantime,
The package.
you can open the package.
That's a manual, but I don't need it anymore.
He knows what to do.
These are the two components. This one you open up. Pet is actually in this one. Take out the pet.
Oh yeah, the needle is inside there.
This one fits on this one.
You just have to click it together.
And then you click it together, take it out, inside here. This one you shoot in your arm. Just push.
There you
And
go.
the pet is there. Now the pet is not working yet.
Open your app.
Take your app and scan the new
What does
He
it
will
say?
then say, I found a new sensor. Would you like to start the new one? Yes. Scan the new sensor. I will now get a message that I need to wait an
Sensor
hour.
can be used in 60 minutes, it says.
Yes, correct. It takes an hour before he does whatever he needs to do, and in 1 hour